When you step into the world of ethical hacking, you immediately run into two heavyweight operating systems, Kali Linux and Parrot Security OS. The most common mistake beginners make is downloading Kali Linux immediately without checking their own host computer specifications. If your machine isn't ready for it, running that virtual machine causes severe lag. Your keystrokes delay, your windows freeze, and the entire system stutters. Many people debate this choice as if one operating system has a secret stash of better hacking tools. In reality, they don't. Both run on the exact same Debian baseline, and both pull from the exact same repositories of penetration testing software. Look at this quadrant chart comparing hardware drain to configuration effort. Kali occupies the top left, a resource-intensive environment requiring manual setup. Parrot sits in the bottom right, built to minimize system drain while handling complex configurations for you out of the box. Choosing an OS based on how it handles your hardware prevents you from fighting your own computer when your focus should be on learning to pen test. The baseline resource drain on your host machine is dictated by the desktop environment. Kali Linux uses the GNOME desktop environment as its default setup. This comparison matrix shows the hardware cost. GNOME requires graphical acceleration and a minimum of 2 GB of RAM. Parrot OS defaults to Mate. It operates smoothly on just 384 MB of RAM and no graphical acceleration, trading modern aesthetics for extreme efficiency. Keep in mind, these numbers are strictly what is required to keep the OS idling. They do not account for the heavy memory loads that occur once you launch an active vulnerability scan. Your physical hardware constraints have to dictate your operating system choice long before you open a single tool. Once you are booted up, your first operational goal is hiding your IP and MAC addresses to prevent DNS leaks during a session. This flowchart maps Kali's manual privacy approach. First, open a text editor to modify the Proxychains configuration file. Next, uncomment dynamic chains, so traffic reroutes if a node fails. Then, write a cron tab script to spoof your MAC address on boot. Finally, manually verify the Tor service is running. This workflow gives you absolute granular control over exactly which proxy servers are routing your traffic. Because every step is manual, the process is time-consuming. A single syntax error in your config files will instantly break the routing. Kali's method forces you to understand network routing at a technical level. However, forgetting a single step carries a high risk of exposing your real IP address. Parrot provides an automated alternative to that manual setup with a tool called AnonSurf. Look at how the required user input compares. In Parrot, you run one command and enter your administrative password. AnonSurf automatically routes all your traffic through Tor, modifies your IP tables, and clears your cache in the background simultaneously. You achieve foolproof protection against accidental DNS leaks without ever editing a configuration file. The trade-off is that you completely lose the ability to hand-pick specific proxy chains for custom routing. Parrot removes deep technical customization in exchange for immediate security out of the box. Both of these operating systems support 32 and 64-bit architecture, and both will run standard tools like Nmap flawlessly. The final decision comes down to matching the operating system to your hardware capacity and your career goals. We can map this directly on a scorecard across 3 core user personas: the Cert Chaser, the Low-Spec Learner, and the Privacy Pentester. If you are the Cert Chaser, Kali Linux is your designated platform. You need to master Kali because it is the exact industry standard expected in corporate environments and required to pass the OSCP exam. If you fall into the Low-Spec Learner or the Privacy Pentester categories, Parrot OS is your target. You get a highly responsive, sandboxed system that runs efficiently on older hardware. You will have to adapt slightly, as Parrot's file structures and default applications differ from the mainstream, Kali-focused tutorials you'll find online. Check your host machine's RAM right now. If you cannot spare 4 GB to comfortably run a virtual machine, the choice is already made for you. Download Parrot OS.